Hello everyone, airline route optimization is a real-time problem that can be modeled using graph theory, where airports are represented as nodes and flight routes are represented as weighted edges. The weights can represent distance, time, or cost depending on the application. The main objective is to find the most efficient route between two airports. To solve this problem effectively, we use Dijkstra's algorithm, which is a well-known algorithm for finding the shortest path in a weighted graph. In this project, three types of heap structures were analyzed: binary heap, binomial heap, and Fibonacci heap. The binary heap is the simplest and most commonly used structure implemented using arrays. It provides good performance with low overhead and is highly efficient in practical scenarios. The binomial heap is a more advanced structure that consists of a collection of binomial trees and supports efficient merging operations. The Fibonacci heap is a highly optimized data structure in theory, offering an O1 time complexity for decrease key operations, which makes it theoretically the best choice for Dijkstra's algorithm. Interestingly, when tested in a real world environment using JavaScript and Node.js, the results showed that the binary heap outperformed the Fibonacci heap. This unexpected result highlights the difference between theoretical and practical performance. The Fibonacci heap relies heavily on complex pointer-based structures and frequent memory allocations, which introduce overhead due to garbage collection in high-level languages like JavaScript. On the other hand, binary heaps use simple array structures that are more cache-friendly and faster for modern CPUs to process. The system architecture was designed using a modern full stack approach with Node.js for the backend and React for the frontend, all managed within a monorepo structure. Using TypeScript across both frontend and backend ensures type safety and consistency. For data validation, tools like Zode were used to ensure that large JSON datasets containing airline route information are correctly structured before processing, preventing runtime errors and crashes. In conclusion, this project demonstrates that while advanced data structures like Fibonacci heaps offer superior theoretical performance, simpler structures like binary heaps often perform better in real world applications due to lower overhead and better memory utilization. It emphasizes the importance of testing algorithmic concepts against real system constraints such as memory management, CPU architecture, and language runtime behavior. This approach ensures that the chosen solution is not only theoretically optimal but also practically efficient and scalable.